Hi friends, welcome to Emoji Gaming. Let's test your powers of observation with 20 unique puzzles at 3 difficulty levels. Today is Smile Edition. If you are ready, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Can you find the odd emoji out here? Yes, it's right here. Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. So easy. It's here. Do you see the odd one out? You nailed it. That one doesn't fit in. Can you identify the unique emoji? You're a pro at this. It's this one. Which emoji is the odd one out? Fantastic job. It's this one that doesn't match. Find the emoji that doesn't fit in with the others. You're on a roll. It's this one over here. Locate the emoji that stands out from the rest. You've got a sharp eye. It's this one that's different. Time to step it up a notch. Which emoji doesn't belong? You're crushing it. It's this one that doesn't match. Can you pick out the odd emoji in this group? Wow, you're good at this. It's this one that's out of place. Which emoji doesn't fit in with the others? Awesome work. It's this one that's different. Find the emoji that's different from the rest. You're killing it. It's this one that doesn't fit in. Spot the emoji that's out of place. Excellent work. It's this one that's out of place. Can you identify the emoji that doesn't belong? You're a natural at this. It's this one that doesn't belong. Brace yourself. Things are getting tricky. Spot the emoji that doesn't belong. Impressive work. It's this one that doesn't match. Which emoji is the odd one out in this group? Amazing job. It's this one over here that doesn't match. Which emoji is the one that's out of place? Whoa, you're amazing. It's this one that's different. Can you pick out the odd emoji from this group? You're acing this. It's this one that's different. Spot the emoji that's out of place in this group. You're a pro. It's this one that doesn't belong. Find the emoji that's different from the rest. You did it. It's this one that's different from the rest. Can you identify the emoji that doesn't match? You're unstoppable. It's this one that doesn't fit in. Excellent! It's time to share your results in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch new puzzles.